Oneonta offers a variety of different classes you could take, from film to audio to also creative writing and journalism, and the professors here are amazing.
Plus, you could also take internships too, which helps with like any future career.
Our students get access to equipment. There's no delay. You can start your very first semester.
Going into the media studies department was the best thing I could have ever done for myself. I've learned a lot of different hands-on opportunities through like video production, audio production, studio production, and now we have media practicum.
A unique program we have is the Production Guild. And the Production Guild is set up to take advantage of the offices and businesses that approach us asking for students to shoot video or record audio. And it's a way for our most ambitious students to get experience working with real, actual clients, and students get credit for it.
Wire TV is a TV production club where we make a bunch of shows.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to On Campus. I'm your host, Kai Martin. Today we're gonna ask people what they're listening to and their favorite songs and blah, blah, blah. Let's get right to it.
It allows students to learn the media industry a little bit more on camera and also off camera. The minute that I came here into the studio, I just felt this overwhelming passion of, this is what I want to do. This is what I want to be.